Hey everyone, welcome to the Gourmet Projects channel. Today we will be making mango chia seed pudding. So for that we'll be needing a bowl, 2.5 tablespoons of chia seeds, 180 ml of plant-based milk. I use soy, but you may use any variety of milk that you like. Give it a nice mix. At this point, we may add sweeteners of our choice. I prefer agave nectar, but you may add sugar or honey. You may also add some vanilla extract for extra flavor. A 1/4 teaspoon should be absolutely fine. Mix it again and leave this be for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you'll see that the texture has thickened, almost like a pudding or jelly. At this point, you know that this is done. Next, you'll be making the mango pulp by throwing a few mango pieces into the blender and making a smooth puree. Now, I'll teach you a really cool technique of making mango cubes. First, for that, you'll be needing a paring knife, and then you need to cut your mangoes into slices. Make sure you make lengthwise cuts in one direction and then turn it around, and then make lengthwise cuts in the opposite direction, making sure that they form cubes. At this point, you may use a spoon and scoop out the cubes, or you may pop it and it looks so pretty. Next, you'll be taking a clean jar, and in that you'll start assembling your pudding. You'll start with a layer of chia pudding, and then you'll be adding the mango pulp. After adding the mango pulp, you'll be topping it with another layer of the chia pudding, and you'll finish off with mango pulp on top. Once that is done, you may garnish with fresh mango slices, toasted coconuts, and fresh peppermint leaves. Doesn't that look beautiful? This is one of my favorite summertime breakfast recipes. I love the fact that it's not just tasty, but it packs in so much of healthy nutrients, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. Do give this recipe a try, and if you like what I do, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.